Hi everyone, it's been a while. Um, this is, I'll reintroduce myself. This is Sandra Briand, uh, holistic nutritional consultant, and I specialize in Ayurvedic lifestyle and digestive health, so gut health. Now, what I want to show you today is I'm sorry that my iPhone doesn't allow me to turn my camera around anymore so you can see my face, but many of you know who I am. But today I want to just let you know why I disappeared for a while, and that's because my husband has been dealing with some dental problems, and he's going to require some major bone reconstruction. So I have been dealing with many pureed and soft foods lately. So I didn't know how interesting that would be to you, but I'm learning to be fairly creative in the kitchen. But one of the things he can eat is soft foods like banana bread. So as long as he puts like a nice fruit sauce or something like that on it, whipping cream maybe. So, banana bread often has nuts in it. And what I have found is that I can replace the nuts with hemp seed, okay, high protein and great fats in it, omega-3 fats, as well as omega-6. And so I will send out to my mailing list my best banana bread recipe so you guys can make it. Now what you do is you cream the butter and sugar together, and sugar often calls for brown sugar in banana bread. So if you want to do that organically, you could use a regular light cane sugar and then add a bit of molasses, and then eggs and yogurt, or Greek yogurt or sour cream, and lots of bananas. Now my bananas are dark because I had some very ripe bananas and I put them in the fridge, and they've been in there at least a week, maybe more, and so they've just gotten darker and darker, but hey, they still work. They're amazingly sweet for the banana bread. And then of course you've got the flour and cinnamon and salt and baking soda, and I put the hemp seeds right in here because they're nice and fine. And then you mix the dry with the wet ingredients. And then you pop it in a loaf pan and you bake it. So I'll give that recipe to my mailing list, and I'll put the link to get on my mailing list down below. So hopefully I'll be able to keep in touch. My husband will have his surgery date assigned. We'll know that by the end of August, and the surgery will take place in September, and maybe I'll have more time to talk with you. But I have missed you all, and do keep in touch with me, okay, by email or Facebook or Instagram. Okay, sending love, bye.